guys, it's me, Cody here, and today I'm going to be attempting to sing. I'm really good at singing, I have to admit. I'm pretty good, but the thing is, I've just woken up, so that's the worst. So Happier by Marshmallow. Okay, so I'm in for the best. Wait, is it still? I'm gonna keep it out like this, guys, because you've got it. So I'll be rusty now, because lately I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. Okay. Lately I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become, and they collide the day with friends and the winter the fights that we've begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back, 'cause we have let this happen. I think that we know from the way that the story ends. Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, but this just don't feel right to me. I want to raise your spirits, I want to see you smile, but no doubt means I'll have to leave. No doubt means I'll have to leave. Lately I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When evening comes, I'm left out of my thoughts, and the image of you being with someone else seems to be up inside. Around our course, and we pretend that we're okay. When we think we're clever, we succeed at the way that we made. Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, 'cause things just don't feel right to me. I want to raise your spirit, I want to see you smile, but no doubt means I'll have to leave. See, I'm a little rusty. No doubt means I'll have to leave. Lately I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. So I'll go, I will go. So I'll go, I will go. Lately I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. Even though I might not like this, I think that you'll be happier. I want you to be happier. Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me. I want to raise your spirit, I want to see you smile, but no doubt means I'll have to leave. No doubt means I'll have to leave. Lately I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. So I'll go, I will go. Guys, I'll be singing it tonight, but quickly, let's do 6 figures. No, Ohio Fried Chicken. Thanks for all these people who made these songs, because I literally just your songs for my videos. Yes.
Jake Paul, Merch Lincoln File, Ohio Fried
I didn't spell this wrong, aren't I? Talking Tom. Oh, no, I don't want to know. It's gonna have to be clean, guys. Oh, well. Oh, season bio. Know how fried chicken. You made this in one day. Cooking Rick, body slick. Know how fries. Let's hit this. Hung's dog, tuck and tongue. Oh, how fried chicken is what it's called. I got my truck, my overalls. Just me and my boss making fried chicken, y'all. Authentically, down to eternity. Till the complete. Flash on, look at me. Tell me what to do. Well, do some move. There's just some trust. Yeah, I'm a boss. She's done with living around drinking. You're a pretty girl with no care, no problem in the world, not even your hair. Hands around and hand in need. And there is certainty. Down and to the up, make I need to all fried chicken. Huggy dog, talking tongue. The hot fried chicken is what it's called. I got my truck, my overalls. Just me and my boys making fried chicken, y'all. Didn't go to make it. Now my chicken's naked. And our truck is lifted. Sound is my pups. I got my piggy. I got my gold. And I did a little goat. I to make a family crowd. Just want to stay there at the crowd. I need a girl who's down to ride. Yeah, who go there, go to over ride. Lucky dog, talking dog. Oh, how fried chicken is what it's called. I got my truck, my overalls. And I was making fried chicken, y'all. Baby. Audrey, where is say goodbye? I don't mention it. And there's a deep project for me. Hey guys, I got to go. That was 8 o'clock and I need to go ready for school. So I hope you liked this video today, and I'll see you tonight, guys. Peace! I didn't click the pause sign to stop it. Well, anyways, peace out, guys.